Hello everyone, and let me show you how I like to make a bubble. There are different techniques of making bubbles, and this is the one that I like and use in my designs. First things first, what you do, you knit the stitch. But do not take it out of the needle. Place that knitted stitch back on the left needle, like this, and knit it again. We're going to knit through the same stitch again and repeat the same. So we knit the stitch, we place it on the left needle, and then we knit that stitch. One more time. So we have over here an extra 2 stitches because we had the first one. And now slip those 3 stitches back to the left needle this way. We will slip the first and the second stitch together knitwise, and the third purlwise. We will slip 2 stitches over the last now, and we create the bubble. Looks like this. I'm sorry for the dark yarn, but hopefully you could see this. That's that. I hope you enjoyed this one.